Sound needs a medium of propagation. Justify with your experiment. Answer. Sound needs material like air, water, steel, etc. for its propagation. It cannot travel through medium. This can be demonstrated by the bell jar experiment. As electric bell had an airtight gas jar are taken, the electric bell is suspended inside the airtight jar. The jar is connected to a vacuum pump. If the bell is made to ring, we will be able to hear the sound of the bell. Now, when the jar is evacuated with the vacuum pump, the air in the jar is pumped out gradually and the speed becomes feebler and feebler. We will not hear any sound if the air is fully removed, if the jar has vacuum. Name the characteristics that describe a sound. A sound wave can be described by five characteristics: be it amplitude, frequency, time period, wavelength, and velocity of speed. Question 3. How does the intensity of sound heard at the place depend on? The intensity of sound heard at the place depend on the following factors: amplitude of the source, distance of the observer, surface area of the source, density of the medium, frequency of the source. Why is sound wave called longitudinal wave? As the vibration of the particles of the medium are along the direction of wave propagation, sound waves are longitudinal waves. What is sound and how is it produced? Sound is a form of energy which produces the sensation of hearing. It is produced due to vibrations of different objects that stretches vibrating wires and vibrating drums, etc. How can two whales in the sea hundreds of kilometers apart communicate? Sound travels about 5 times faster in water than in air. Therefore, two whales in the sea hundreds of kilometers apart that communicate easily. What is a stethoscope? What is the principle on which it works? Stethoscope is a medical treatment used for listening to sounds produced in the body. In stethoscope, the sound reaches doctors' ears by multiple reflections that happen in the connecting tube. What is an ECG? How does it help in the field of medicine? The electrocardiogram ECG is one of the simplest and oldest cardiac investigations available. In ECG, the sound variations produced by heart is converted to electric signals. Thus, an ECG is simply a representation of the electrical activity of the heart. Thus, an ECG is simply a representation of the electrical activity of the heart muscle as it changes with time. Usually, it is printed on paper or for easy analysis. The sum of this electrical activity, when applied and recorded for just a few seconds, is known as an ECG.